Before learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube, I think it's important to understand the cube's anatomy so you can follow a tutorial more easily and solve your cube much faster. Now, the cube is made up of three main pieces, namely the centerpiece, which has just one color on it, the edge piece, which has two colors on it, and the corner piece, which has three colors on it. Now, there are six centerpieces, hence we have six sides on a cube, and these determine what color needs to go on that side. So if you have a yellow centerpiece, that just means you need to solve yellow on that side. There are 12 edge pieces, which are located right next to the centerpieces. And as I said, these just have two colors on them. And lastly, we have 8 corner pieces, and these are located, well, you guessed it, on the corners of the cube. Now, in the next modules, we're going to use these terms a lot, so make sure to understand your cube anatomy before proceeding.